Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So if this is your first time checking out one of my videos or even checking out my channel, do me a favor and go ahead and hit that big red button below. Yep, that subscribe button. Because anytime I put out a new content, YouTube will actually send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just put out a new video. So you might want to check that out. Also, right next to that button is a little bell. Click that bell and hit the all, and then you'll get all the notifications that you need about what I put out, reviews, testimonies, any kind of good information I put out for you guys. So with that, we're going to dive right into this one. I've brought you guys this company before and reviewed it and talked about it before, and I'm going to be talking about a new product they've just launched, and I'm looking forward to testing it myself and using it and seeing what kind of results I get. I'm always trying to bring you guys some good value, some good stuff that's going to help you guys in the long run to either better yourself, better your life, better your health, or better your financial situation. And with that, we're going to dive right into it. So we're going to be talking about this company called Tranont, and they have a new product called Mojo. So they have a coffee and a chocolate. So we'll be talking about the coffee today and reviewing and talking about that and just what's included. I can't do a review yet because I don't have it yet, but once I get it, I already placed the order. I will be reviewing that and seeing how that goes and what kind of effects I've had with that. So we're going to click on the Mojo coffee. Getting your mojo on, baby. Yeah. So Mojo coffee helps you feel. Mojo helps you feel good. Awesome. Made with. Let me open this up a little bit more. There we go. Made with our proprietary vitality blend. Mojo coffee helps boost your energy, improves your mood. That's pretty cool. If you're in a bad mood, you can have some get all hyped up, and focus, all while curbing your appetite. Curb appetite is good. You won't eat as much. You can focus more. So looking at it, pretty cool. It's pretty standard. It says what you can't see the little small writing. I can't even see it either, so I will let you guys know. Well, you can go to the website. I'll have a link in the description below so you can get there and check out yourself as well. So it says what order today, be the first to. Okay, cool. So it starts look like it starts at $69 USD. Has two prices, $59 USD associate pricing. So there's two. I guess you have, if you're a member or associate, you actually get a discount. That's what you get. So that is true. What else? Product details, ingredients details. I'm not gonna go too much into the ingredients details. Just a little bit. Show you guys what it looks like. Product details, ingredient details. Mojo coffee contains a proprietary vitality blend that includes Brazilian coffee. Look like bitter orange extract. You see all this stuff right here. Pretty cool. Green tea extract, something called P. Another thing called alpha size. Interesting. I guess that's the actual word for it. B, green coffee bean extract. L-theanine. Cool. It's amino acid and Chromax. So, all right. Not going to go through all of this. You guys can actually go to the website and check it out yourself. Serving size is scoop. That's cool. And you got what 30 servings is 30 per container. Okay, cool. So a month amount of servings. Directions for best results: add 1 scoop to any empty glass. Fill with hot or cold water and mix well with. Use Mojo creamer. Okay, they got creamer. Awesome. For more of a richer taste, Mojo coffee is delicious, hot, iced, and add it to your favorite smoothies or beverages. Smoothies? So you use this coffee in smoothies. Cool. Okay, and beverage recipes. Awesome. Okay. All right, cool. So that's interesting. I'm actually looking forward to getting this and trying this out. So with that, we're gonna go ahead and back out. Yeah, so I already placed the order for myself. I'm gonna be show you guys and let you guys know my results and what I think about the taste and what it does and how I feel if I get those results or what it claims to do. So stay tuned for that one. The next video I'll be doing, and that'll probably be after this one, will be reviewing the Mojo chocolate, because we know that a lot of people don't. I'm gonna say a lot of people. A lot of people do like coffee, but some people don't drink coffee, and I guess that's why they got this for coffee for people who don't drink coffee. They have the chocolate. So with that, guys, hope you got some good information from this one, some value. Looking forward to bringing some more reviews and about this Mojo coffee along with the Mojo chocolate. So with that, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to hit me up, put it in the comments below, or contact me or text me or call me at 925-752-8897. That's my direct cell phone number. Give me a call, text me. Of course, I mean, call me in the middle of the night. Probably won't answer. I'll be asleep. So with that, guys, I hope you have a good one. Hope you got some value from this one. And until the next video, you guys be safe, be blessed, and peace. Take care.